Hello and namaste. This is Neeraj here and welcome back to my channel Financial Market Analysis Twist by Neeraj Shah. So in today's video I would like to discuss something regarding this defense IPO, which is now that one of the smallest defense companies IPO, and how people are fooling with that company, and I don't think so why it should be a buy, and we have something else, so I will tell you that why one should not buy this IP even post listing. One should get out of that. And also please watch this video till the last, because I will be discussing something, my my plans and so with the channel. So let's start. And as you know that I have a different premium video also, where I come out with the stock specific analysis and recommendation of multi-bagger stock ideas. So it's for the paid, and recently I have come out just recently also, it is the latest premium video, which is a combination of space, defense, spatial metals and PSU. So all this super combination, so it becomes the best buy multi-bagger idea at present in this kind of a market, which is very shaky, very exaggerated valuation. So this company provides the best buy in this particular stock. And why one should not get into stocks like Paras Defense or any of this so many plethora of stocks which are coming as IPO. These are all, I would suggest, without getting deep into this, that one should avoid just because it's euphoria is there and a lot of liquidity is there. People have no other work or no other alternative, so they keep on pumping money into the market and they keep on investing or putting money into. It's like a gamble, it's like casino. You're putting, and you know that definitely this will, if you whatever you get, even if you get one share, that there will be listing gains. So for that listing gains, because of this Russian roulette is happening right now in the Indian stock market. So it's that gambling, everybody is putting money, and because there is only it's going up, so everybody is sure that it will happen. But for the long term future, I would say that for listing gains, somebody is putting money, it's a different thing. But for investment, as an investment purpose, or for a long term holding and wealth creation, these are all all bullshit stories, bullshit. There is such a small companies have, in my experience, I have seen that they have no future as such. Generally, it hardly out of 100, maybe one company will become the multi-bagger or medium to small cap to medium cap to large cap. So, but 99% of the companies, they fail, and one gets stuck with those kind of shares and in the hope that it will. But these are all these small companies. They they only run when that bull run is there, that is the run, and afterwards you keep on holding it for a long time, and ultimately this gives disappointment. So this is what I just wanted to share my experience of things with you, that this particularly you talk about Paras Defense, which as they told that 350 times it subscribed and all these things. But you have to understand the size of the IPO, and you understand the size of this company. Company's top line is, since last 2 years, it is around 150 crores. What is the EBITDA? So around 40 crores, 45 crores. And what is the PAT profit? 20 crores. Now you tell me, a 20 crore profit company or a 40 crore EBITDA, how big it can grow to, and how it can satisfy the wealth creation dreams of thousands of and millions of investors. So itself is a very this kind of this euphoric story. One keeps on once you get it and you get out in the listing gains, it's a different thing. But if you keep on holding it, you will ultimately, it will be just a piece of demat account entry, nothing else, because you are not going to make much money. How Yeah, is it going to be a 50% growth company for next 5 years or 10 years? No, it's not going to be. And if you look at this company's portfolio of product also, I have analyzed that they are into this defense, space, and naval. That kind of, it's a defense related, and mostly this is electronics and optics, and this something related to the control panels. These are the products. If you divide it, they have the 58 product lines which I saw. And now don't get into the deeper into all these product lines, the 58, but all different categories in their website. If you'll see, if you'll research, if you'll read, it will come to the 58 categories of the product line. And you just take an average relation per product line is around 25 million rupees or 2.5 crores. So it's very small, this what kind of a product line. And once you know that they talk about the niche, they are not into this volume that it can grow exponentially, because these are all very kind of a product where it only for a particular application. It cannot be applied for the every general application. So if there is a problem with the space program of India, they are stuck, because their 50% of their, even though around 30% of their revenues come from the space program, but 50% of the profit comes from this space optic programs. So if there is not much visibility about that, so how you can have the visibility about the company's growth also? Just by talking about Make in India and 𝗦𝗛𝗢𝗏 and that this company, and why should only this company? It's not something unique, because most of these Indian companies which are into this Indian private sector companies which have which are coming up or tying up for the defense segment, these are all the companies which are just basically a contract manufacturing or outsourcing kind of a company. So where this foreign company technology holders, they come and they have this local companies tie up, and that's how this it's not the technology. These Indian companies are not the unique pioneering technology companies. So they are all just a basic manufacturing company which they tie up with some technology provider from the outside India, and those technology providers they provide some kind of technology, and there is a tie up and there is a royalty based sharing. So if you look at these business models, so it's maximum majority of the chunk of all these things, it's just a outsourcing company. Most of these are outsourcing manufacturing company, outsourced manufacturing company. So there is nothing about that it is there that they can command premiums or they can command something which others are not there. It's nothing. It's all about the tie-up with the right Western or any other this technology providers, and they just manufacture and so that that euphoria about giving valuation also one should not give. So you should look at rather that Bharat Electronics, which has its own, this is the kind of a company you should look at. Or as I told you that you look at which I have come out with my premium video, the latest premium video in just last week we have come out with. That is the classic example of a multi-bagger long-term growth idea about how spatial metals, PSU, defense, space, aviation, naval, and energy. This is the combination of a company where there is the assurance of the growth, assurance of the revenue, and assurance of unique space theory, that there won't be any competition as such. Also, it's a barriers to competition. So that is what it makes a unique story. Not the companies like parasdefenceipo, plethora of all these small cap companies which are coming to the market. 150 crore of revenue. How much you can give it to such company? What it can? It is a small cap, microcap, I would say. And people, you can get stuck into this company if you are holding shares after posting also. There won't be much liquidity. There won't be much. These are all the time-based favorites. Once that time goes away and when that bull market goes away, these are easily forgotten kind of company. Nobody even wants to look into this company, and then you keep on holding such shares. So my advice is to that you should get out of this on the listing if you have got it. If you have not got it, thank you. You should be thankful that okay, you didn't get into this, and don't try to get into the secondary market also. Don't try to buy on the listing also. You should actually that is where I am telling you that I have a premium video where you have to just my details are in the description box down below. You can just send a request, send a mail to me. It's only for the 1,000 rupees each video. So this is the latest premium video which is, I'm talking about this stock, which is the total fundamental long-term analysis, detailed, and how it can grow and all the future projections, and it can be multi-bagger stock idea. So if anybody is interested, they can contact me, and they can send I will send you my bank details. 1,000 rupees only it's per video for this particular premium video. So this is what I am trying to tell you. Another thing is that what I am trying to about my future idea is that I would like to get into this as I see that there are plethora of channels and people with no experience, people just coming out of the college and just playing in the market, and they try to give advice, and those channels also have thousands and millions of viewers. So I think that something is either wrong with the viewers or wrong with me, or I don't know, I'm not this kind of where people with so much of experience, industrial experience and also market experience, where I have seen that highs and lows of bulls and bear market, cycles we have gone through, and I see that those young guys that just come out of the college with no experience, with no nothing, and they try to give gyan and on YouTube channels on the stock market and then how to make money, and they get millions of views and thousands of views and thousands of subscribers. So I feel very disappointed with this kind of so I am thinking of that I would go for I would rather have 100 200 dedicated subscribers, viewers, professionals who are into this market and who are serious about this, and who just not for the sake of subscribing, they are subscribing to the any channels, and it will be a private channel, closed channel with those exclusive, every be on the annual subscription fee basis, because I don't want to give anything like that way free, but it will be a fixed annual subscription fee basis, and where I will come out with everything, all the best multi-bagger stock ideas, analysis, and all these things I will share. There is nothing, no more charges about this, only a annual subscription fee charges, which will be nominal in the range of say $200 per year or the 10,000 rupees per year. So because I don't want to continue to carry like this way, where with 400 500 subscribers, but people don't appreciate. So I'm sure that those who appreciate my knowledge, those who appreciate my help in making very much wealth creation and money, those who get benefited, that definitely will be supporting me in this venture also, new venture. So this is just an idea I wanted to share with all these viewers and subscribers. So any suggestions or anything, any case who are interested, they can contact me by email. My mail details are in the description box down below or in the comments also, and then we will take it from there. So that's what I wanted to share it with you, some kind of this future idea. I wanted to just bounce it with the viewers and subscribers. That's it from my side, and love you all, wish you all the best, and we'll see you sometime again in this format after collecting all the ideas and all the viewers notes and feedbacks by mails, and then we will announce something totally different, totally unique and exclusive. It's not for for everyone. It will be exclusive kind of a channel. That's it from my side. Love you all. Thank you for watching. Ciao.